In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new FAQ page on Shopify. Now, whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your store, adding an FAQ page can really streamline customer inquiries and provide crucial information at a glance. So let's walk through this together step by step. First, we need to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you're logged in and directed to your store's homepage. Once there, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the main menu. This is your command center for managing every part of your Shopify store. Next, look for and click on the Online Store tab. It's typically located near the bottom of the menu. Clicking here will unfold a few more options related to managing your storefront's appearance and content. Among these options, you'll see Pages. Click on this to open up a list of all the pages you've currently set up for your store. Now, let's create a new page. You'll want to find the Add Page button, usually located at the top right corner of your Pages screen. Clicking this will take you to a new interface designed specifically for adding new content pages. Here, it's time to give your new page a title. Since we're making an FAQ page, simply type FAQ into the title field. This title will help navigate both you and your visitors, as this is what customers will see when they access the page. After setting the title, click on the Content box below. This is where you'll input all the frequently asked questions you want to address. Take some time to consider what questions your customers often have. This could include questions about shipping, returns, product care, and so on. Once you've filled in the content to your satisfaction, it's important to turn your attention to the visibility settings. You have to ensure your FAQ page is visible to your customers, so double-check the settings here. You can choose to publish now or schedule it for a future date if you're still drafting or need more time. Next, take a glance at the Template section. This allows you to decide how your FAQ page will be structured. Most of the time, the default template will be just fine for an FAQ, but feel free to explore the options your theme provides. Finally, you're going to want to make sure all your edits are preserved by clicking on the Save button. This ensures that everything you've just worked on is updated and ready to go live on your store. And that's it! You've just successfully added an FAQ page to your Shopify store. By following these steps, you've made it easier for your customers to get the information they need, allowing them to shop with confidence and ease. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling!